Hello students, welcome to this Essay Masterclass 2022. In this video, I'm going to explain to you what should be your strategy towards this essay paper. I'll also be sharing my success strategy, which has helped me to score 144 marks in essay. In all the 6 attempts which I took in the UPSC mains examination, my average score has been in the 5 attempts more than 55%. So I will use all my strategy and I will discuss briefly in this video, and I will also discuss about what I am going to give you in the essay master class in the essay master class course of 2022. Okay, so first of all, you must be very clear in your mind that essay paper is the most important paper in the entire scheme of CSE mains examination. The reason is that cost benefit analysis, if you carry out for this paper, this you will be putting very less effort, and compared to that you can easily score very high marks. Average score in general studies paper is around 90 to 95 marks. I'm talking about candidates who are getting rank. Okay, and what is the average score of essay? People who are getting rank is around 125 to 130. Okay, and the highest score in essay can go up to 160 marks, but highest score in generally GS paper will not go more than 120 125 marks. This clearly shows that essay paper has huge scope for scoring high marks. Further, one more point I must emphasize here is that essay needs very less preparation. If you understand the science of writing essay, and if you practice that science for like a sufficient number of times, then you will be easily scoring very high marks in essay. On the other hand, let me tell you to be very cautious also, because I have seen many aspirants who take the essay paper lightly and they score average 70, 80, 85, 90 marks. So they lose around 30 to 40 precious marks, which will give them a chance to getting selected and getting into top ranks. Okay, therefore essay paper is very important. So let me just share with you some of the vital things which you should keep in mind while basically uh, preparing for essay and inside the exam hall while taking the essay paper, writing the essay paper. Okay, see, first of all, you must be very clear that essay is about what you think. Okay, what you think on the topic. Okay, essay is not about what you have read or what you have memorized on the topic. Many candidates make a mistake that they just go and they try to reproduce the knowledge from their optional subject, knowledge from their optional subject. Okay, so first of all, it is very important for you to understand what is the demand of the examination as far as essay paper is concerned. And I am going to help you understand exactly what is needed in the essay paper or what is the UPSC expecting in the essay paper. So I'll make this clear in this essay masterclass. Further, one more thing is very important is the selection of topic. Okay, selection of topic. Many of the candidates, I am telling you, they make a mistake while selecting a right essay topic. Okay, and most of the candidates who score below average marks, if you go and ask them what was the reason they have scored below average marks, one thing they will tell you is that they selected the wrong topic where they did not had that kind of knowledge or that kind of comfort level. So these are some of the mistakes which I will help you avoid. Okay, I'll help you avoid. Otherwise, what will happen if you do not know these mistakes and you go unprepared in the examination hall, then you will commit these mistakes. I have developed a unique template which will help you to select the right topic as per your strength and weakness, as per your strength and weakness. I have developed one template I have developed inside the examination hall. You use that decision making template, and according to that decision making template, you will be selecting the right essay which will fetch you marks. Okay. Third thing which I will teach you in this essay master class is brainstorming. Okay. Many candidates, what they do is that they try to write unidimensional, essays, and they try to just expand one or two dimension, and they expect to score very high marks in essay. But in essay, my experience says that the more and more dimensions you write, but those must be relevant dimensions. The more is the probability you get marks. Okay. So I will share with you unique templates for brainstorming. Okay. I have developed these unique templates, and if you practice these unique templates multiple times, then it will become your habit. And in the exam, it will flow naturally from your habit. Okay. Next, what I'm going to share with you is that five unique templates to introduce an essay. Okay, introduce an essay. You must be knowing that introduction of the essay is very important, because it is the part which catches the attention of the examiner and forces him to read your essay. Okay, so how to write a good introduction, and how to avoid traps which generally are laid by the UPSC through their topics, so that you don't get off the track in the very beginning. Many candidates, what they happen is that they go beyond the scope of the topic. They go, and since they go beyond the scope of the topic, they get very less marks in essay. Okay, then I will also help you in this essay masterclass how to structure your essay, how in the body part. And then in the end, I'll also talk about how to conclude your essay. Okay, how to conclude your essay. One more point I would like to make is that many candidates, what they do is that they struggle to write philosophical essays. If you are studying the pattern of the UPSC mains examination, particularly in the essay part, you will see that every year they are adding one section, all philosophical topics. So nowadays you cannot avoid philosophical topics. You have to write a philosophical topic essay. So I will help you write a philosophical essay topic also. I will help you develop a strategy for philosophical essays also. Okay, so and let me show you the details of the program. Okay, so this is okay. So this is what is our essay masterclass 2022. I myself have scored more than 140 marks, 144 marks, which is around 60% marks, one of the highest marks ever scored in essay. I myself have scored, and my students have went on to score 120, 130, 140 marks. Okay, so it is very important for you to score 140 plus marks or 150 marks if you really want to top the examination. If you really want to top this examination, without essay you cannot top this examination. Let me be very frank, this might be very harsh, but without getting a very high marks in essay, it is very difficult to crack the mains examination also. Okay, so this is very important. So let me just share with you how I have structured this essay masterclass, in the essay masterclass. If you see, I have structured the essay masterclass in 10 master classes. Okay, in masterclass 1, I will be basically helping you understand the demand of the UPSC. What is the demand of the UPSC in the essay paper? Okay, I'll try to make you understand, and this I will be teaching from my own experience. I'll just show you my marks. Okay, in 2011 I scored around 118 out of 120, which is around 60%. In 2012 I again scored 120 out of 200. Okay, which is, and then 120 out of 200, again this is around 60%. Okay, then in 2013 suddenly I scored only 78 marks out of 250. 78 marks out of 250, around 33%. Okay, below 33%. Then 2014, I again scored 128 marks out of 250. In 2016, I scored 144 marks out of 250. And again in 2017, I scored 130, around 8 marks out of 250. So you see my consistency of marks. This is around 60%. This is around 56% or 55%, if you see. So average, if you calculate 60%, 60%, again 60%, again 55%, and this is around 52%. So if you see, my marks have been consistently very high, except the case in 2013 where I made a blunder. And I'm going to share you the blunder I did in the exam hall so that you do not do that blunder. You do not do that blunder. And I'm also going to share various examples of my friends, my students who have scored very well with the right strategy. And I also have examples of many students, many my friends who scored pathetically in essay because of their wrong strategy. So I'm going to share everything with you. Second, I'm going to masterclass 2 will help you build content, how to build content about essay, because essay is about what? How to write and what to write. So what to write, you have to build throughout the year. What to write, you have to build throughout the year. Then masterclass 3, it will be about selection of topic, how to choose essay topic. Okay. Masterclass 4 will be deconstructing the essay topic. Deconstructing the essay topic is very important. Okay. Masterclass 5 will be basically how to create framework, how to create mind maps, how to do brainstorming. Okay. Masterclass 6 will be to, I'll share the templates of introduction. In masterclass 7, I'll talk about how to write an attention grabbing introduction. In masterclass 8, I'll talk about paragraph making. In masterclass 9, I'll talk about conclusion. And in masterclass 10, I'll help you how to handle philosophical essays. And in the end of the program, we will write an essay together. We are going to write a live essay together. So it's more of a exercise oriented masterclass, where first I'll try to share my experience. It is not, I do not believe in teaching. Okay, I'll share my experiences and I want you to learn from my experience, both from my successes and also my failures, both from my right strategies and sometimes my mistakes. I want you to learn from that. And I want to learn from the vast experience which I have carried in so many years. Okay, that is the purpose of this masterclass. This is a very brief course, which 10 sessions, which will be not more than 1.5 hours. And this will end in the month of February. This will end in the month of February. After the prelims exam, I'll have few more sessions where I'll discuss the most important essay topics for the CSE 2022. So this is what I wanted to share about this essay masterclass. If you have any query related to this essay masterclass, you can telegram me. The classes are going to start in the first week of January 2022. Okay. So thank you, friends. I hope that this brief video explained you about this essay strategy and essay masterclass. And I hope to see you in the class. Thank you, sir.